Exit Divis. You had forever to move over there. You had to wait till the last second. Okay.
Like, what? One guy? Really? This guy's gonna...
Wait, that's red. It's still red, dude. What are you doing?
Here's the other thing that's funny. No, it's not funny. We've got more...
No, stop. Seriously? Pedestrians, pedestrians. There's like crosswalks everywhere. Why don't you use one of those? Like that one ahead of me. Wait, why are we halfway in this lane and half in that? Like, what are we doing, guys? Seriously, no one, and someone's doesn't have their headlights on either. Headlights. There you go. Good job.
If they don't cover.
Oh, look, another guy that only has DRLs on and no backlights on when it's dark out, because DRLs are the most useless car feature ever. Just have the headlights turn on when you turn the ignition on. Or actually do what I do and just have the headlights on all the time. I turn on the car, turn on headlights. Turn off car, turn off headlights. I do that every single fucking time. Why can't other people just do that? Or have it be automatic? Do something besides these useless DRLs that do nothing. They're not even bright enough to be headlights. And they're on cars for some reason. Stop it! Extra regret.
This game is a classic. It's an absolute. The Eagles.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Seriously, dude. Red light run, red light run. You know the fucking song. Red light run, red light run. You know the song. Seriously, Elon, with your stupid dumpster truck? I'm thinking you're going to regret the exit. Even though there were signs for like the last half mile saying that lane's exit only, but you know, you decided to be a jackass and cut ahead all this traffic like that jackass. Because fuck you, that's why. Yeah, they don't care. Yeah, someone's gonna plow into the back of them, probably, you know. But it's okay, I got my DRLs on. Of course I'll be fine. Whatever.
That they can't touch it. Reeves is playing hockey. Sometimes he hits people, and you know, and it looks a little dirty. But he's, for the most part, usually pretty clean.
Really? What the hell?
No, he's never done that. I mean, that just goes against the code of being a. How do the Vikings talk to them?
They don't. They don't have. Hey, how you doing? Hey, Merry Christmas. It's like, did you just tell me that's good? It's good. Things are good. You know.
Wait, was that an exit dot behind me?
Scandinavians
I think it was.
have this thing where, like, when you first get to the house.
In Beaufort, South Carolina. Oh my god, already. I'm glad you included the fucking address, because if nothing happened like on the 400 block, I'd be so confused later.
Yeah, no, but that's
Extra regret.
the upscale end of Prince Street.
I don't think the guy has any lights on whatsoever. Not even DLRs. And he has a taillight out too. Yep. He's got nothing on.
Guys, but it's because of today's topic. Robert Smalls, the escaped slave that pretended to be a
Red
ship
light,
captain
Ron.
in the Civil War.
No, stop.
Pretty into rules and structure, so like I grew up as a rules follower, and you know the rabbis.
What are you doing?
Rabbis for all these specifics, so they would tell all these stories about these hard stories.
And of course, you're returning from the wrong lane.
So stop bringing God into place.
How did I guess?
Bringing God into the
Red light, run. 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 Freaking, yeah, is that? Yeah, RTS. Bad, stop it.